All right, y'all. So I went and got me some chicken, right? So we trying two different places. We got Williams Chicken, and I got the some fried chicken. I did not ask for fries. I asked for fried okra, and I've been picking the fries out, throwing them in the trash can. And then a golden chick, the surf and turf. Do y'all see this foolishness? That was $11. 11. What is that? I only ate one tender. You see how tiny these little tenders is? Baby, that said golden cheese on Buckner. I don't think I'd have got that foolishness over there in Louisville. This would not happen in Louisville. This is some bull. But anyway, let's see if they got some flavor to the madness. Shit. And I even told the guy he can keep his drink because I asked for some unsweet tea. We don't have unsweet. We just have sweet. I said, is it sweet? Mm-hmm. See, some people go too far. They go too far. All right, so I'm gonna put some of this seasoning on here. I like that that little zing, the lot of zing over there. All right, I gotta put y'all on the stand. All right, let's see what this food talking about. I will get some ketchup, but I don't need ketchup because although I'm eating this fried food that I ain't got no business eating and drinking this sugary soda, I'm glad they packed it with ice. And then, let's see. All right, so we're gonna golden chick fried okra versus Williams chicken fried okra. I'm about to get up so you can see it. All right, let's see which one the best. This is the Williams chicken fried okra. That's the golden chick fried okra. Nice and hard. The other one kind of semi-hard, but it's and soft. But it's a good texture. Off top, I like Williams. Golden chicken. It's not bad. It's not bad. But it all can use some seasoning, Chad. All of it. And I got the mashed potatoes, and I like to, I don't know about you, but I like to dip my okra. Ooh, come out of there. I like to dip my fried okra in my mashed potatoes. I don't eat mashed potatoes that often, but when I do, I need more gravy than this. Chad. It's him dry like the Sahara Delta. Whew, Chad. All right, it gave you more tater than gravy. I ain't lying, ain't no gravy in here, Chad. Not none. Oh, well. I like to dip the mashed potato and the okra. Dip the okra into the mashed potato. Yeah, probably won't eat much of that. Let's see what the chicken like. These are they fries, the crinkle cut. I am not eating that. Not a fan. Let's try one of these little shrimp. Child, y'all know, I can promise y'all. This was $11. This foolishness. They gave me 3 of these little things here. And 3 of them little tiny chicken strips and some okra. I didn't take their drink. I told them they keep their drink. Will I go back? No. Because that's a what? This is carbs. I promise you. This is more bread than shrimp, baby. I'm peeling the bread and off the shrimp. This is just bread. This is not even a shrimp. Wow. Child. Don't go by that. No, I can't say that, count. Child, purchase at your own risk. But purchase at your own risk, child. The chicken tender. Look at that little baby chicken tender. It look like it should be a shrimp. That's the chicken tender. How much breading on here? They don't have a whole lot of breading. Very little breading, which is a good thing. You got more. You do get more chicken. Yeah, the breading is very thin, so you don't have to worry with that. And then you got the chicken tender. You don't even have no gravy to dip it in, child. This is just one dry meal. I need some broccoli. One bite, for real. Look at the chicken tender, the gone. Baby. Anyway, I'm smacking and talking about this food. How y'all doing? How is it? How your mama and them, your dad and them, your aunt and them, your cousin, your friends, your homies, your buddies? Shit, how your enemy doing? If they paying attention to your next best move. Huh? Is that? Y'all know I'm silly. I don't think I really, this one not bad, but I think I like Williams better. Yeah. Anyway, I turn to a kid when I'm eating. Dancing and bouncing and singing. Anyway, so we need to check the chicken tender tasted. It was tender. It wasn't dry. I give it that. Let's test that Williams chicken. That chicken leg there had problems, Chad. Nice and crunchy. Y'all always know we go for the skin. Let's just be honest. Let's for the crunch. On point. On point. And got flavor, child. Williams for the win. Now, Golden Chicken normally have really good food. But it's going to depend upon the location. And I know the one in Louisville, every time I went, it was really good. That was my first time trying that one. That's going to be a no. It's going to be a no for you, girl. But you do you. A no for me. And maybe they was having an off day. I don't know. I don't know. But I won't get no do-over with me. Not with your girl. No, not with your girl. I'm gonna pass on the do-over. Alright, thank y'all for hanging with me, listening to me smack and talk about other folks' fried chicken. And I ain't got no business eating no way. But I feel like eating this today. Yes, I sure did. Alright. Go on, child. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for spending however many minutes we done shared. Y'all know I'm still. Alright. Bye.